Hello, this is Simon Klein from TradeSmart on the 17th of March 2019. Welcome to this week's episode of Where is the Dollar Going Next? That's a picture of me from last week presenting at the Traders Expo in New York. For those of you who made the effort to come out and meet me in person, it was great to meet you, and I look forward to meeting you again soon. So what we're going to do is go to the charts now, and we've wound back the dollar index on the daily chart to the end of 2 weeks ago. And what we're going to do is going to go quickly through the price action of the past 2 weeks and see what happened. So we said 2 weeks ago that if the dollar was able to go above this supply zone, we're likely to continue moving to the upside to this supply area. So let's take a look at how the market played out over the past 2 weeks. So on Monday 2 weeks ago, the market moved to the upside. On Tuesday, we continued moving higher. Likely we're going to get up to this area. On Wednesday, the market paused and tried to move to the downside. On Thursday, we pushed up in a strong way right into the supply area. And on Friday, since we're in supply, we started to move to the downside again. That was 2 weeks ago. Now last week, on Monday, the market moved to the downside to this demand area. Now, if it's not able to hold this area, we're likely to continue moving to the downside. So let's take a look at how the market played out. On Tuesday, the market tried to go up and failed. So on Wednesday, the market continued to move to the downside, breaking this demand zone that will likely become supply on the next move up. Now on Thursday, the market moved back up into this now supply zone. And on Friday, we continued moving to the downside. So this is how the market closed last week. So the question is this: what are the odds of where the dollar is likely to go next this week? If the dollar is able to hold this demand zone over here, the bottom of this bar, and we're able to go above this area, then it's likely the dollar will continue moving to the upside. Whereas if the dollar is not able to hold this area and is to go below this area, then it's likely the dollar will continue moving down to the demand level below. So let's take a look, as we usually do, at the larger time frames. If we look at the weekly chart, you can see that we're in an uptrend here. And if we hold this pivot low, then it's likely we may continue moving to the upside and potentially break this supply zone, which is weakening. If on the other hand we continue to move down and go below here, then it's most likely we may continue moving to the downside. And again, if we look at the monthly chart here, you can see that we still haven't put in a higher high, but we're still halfway through the month, so there's still time. So the probabilities here are that if we're able to go above and close above the high here, we'll likely continue moving up to the 100 area. Whereas if we're not able to do that, we may very well move to the downside. So these are the odds of where the dollar is likely to go next this week. What I'd like to do now is point your attention to an offer I usually make only once a year, but since being in New York at the Traders Expo last week and seeing the demand for this type of training program, I decided to open up this offer again until the end of this week, until Thursday midnight Eastern time this week, to give you the opportunity to join this program. If you are serious about your trading and you want to take your trading to the next level, and you don't want to rely on someone else's signal program that may go out of business, and rely on someone or something external to yourself, but instead of that you want to make yourself into a self-sufficient trader who can stand on their own 2 feet and produce consistent profits in the market, then this training program is for you. It will teach you how to read the market professionally using price action alone, no need for any indicators. It will also teach you the framework and the process you need to go through step by step in order to run a successful trading business, including how to set up your own trading plan, including a strategy that puts the odds in your favor and gives you a positive expectancy. So what you need to do is click on the Buy Now button and you'll get $5,000 off the regular price of the program, and you'll also get 3 months access to the live trading room for free. So click on the Buy Now and it will bring you to this checkout page. What you need to do is type in the coupon code SALE over here and click Apply, and you'll see you'll get $5,000 off if you pay in one payment. There is also an installment plan, a payment plan, where you can actually pay it in 4 monthly payments. So again, if you type in the coupon code SALE and click apply, you can see you will get $1,250 off each of the 4 installments, which comes to $5,000 off again. So you can pick which one suits you, and if this program is for you, then make sure you sign up before the Thursday midnight Eastern time this week, and you'll get access, immediate access to the training, so you can start going through it immediately. It's on demand. You can go through it as many times as you like until you internalize the information that you're learning and apply it to your trading. Then you can come into our live trading room and see us put it into practice every single day, Sunday to Thursday, live in the market. And you can ask any questions you like as well during the live trading room. Now, what I'm going to do is leave a link below this video, whether you're watching on my YouTube channel or my blog, where you can take advantage of this offer. Remember again to put the coupon code SALE in at checkout. Okay, that's all for now. This is Simon Klein from TradeSmart. Remember, if you like this video, click the like button below, share it with your friends, and be sure to subscribe at the end. Wishing you the best of luck with your trading this week.